Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Last week I made quite a traditional birthday cake, so I thought I'd take you along for the ride, and I hope you enjoy watching this. If you like chocolate cake and strawberries, you probably like it. You want to start out with flour in your bowl. You want to add your sugar. And the cocoa powder. And then you can mix that together a little bit just by shaking the bowl. I was lazy basically. Then you want to add the baking soda, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract. Now all you need is the vegetable oil and water, and then you can go ahead and give that a good mix. You want to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius, and right before you bake you want to add in the apple vinegar and give it a mix, and you can see how the dough turns lighter, so you see whether it's distributed evenly. Now you want to take a baking tin with some baking paper, and you want to add in half of the dough, or about half, and then you want to make sure you distribute it evenly all over the baking tin and bake that for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you want to take it out of the oven and remove it from the tin. Now if you have two tins that are the same size, you don't need to do this, but my tins are all different sizes, so I had to do it this way, but it worked out really well. And yeah, then you want to add new baking paper, close the tin again, and bake the rest of the dough again for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you just want to let the dough cool down. Now we're gonna do the buttercream. For that, we first gonna do some custard. You wanna take milk. You wanna add a little bit in a small bowl and the rest in your pan, and start heating the pan up until it boils. You wanna add 2 big tablespoons of sugar to that, and then the custard powder in the small bowl, and mix that in well. As soon as the milk is boiling, you want to take it off the heat, and then you want to very slowly start pouring the custard mixture in the milk, and just keep stirring while you do that. As soon as this is completely combined, you want to put it back on the heat and let it cook for around a minute or two. And when this is done, you want to take it off the heat and let it cool down completely. This will take a couple of hours. And meanwhile, you can set out your butter to turn to room temperature. Then you want to mix up the butter so it gets creamy. You can see it should look like this. It should stick to the bowl. And then you want to add in 1 tablespoon of custard at a time and mix it in. So this will take a while, and you really have to be patient with this so it gets its signature lightweight texture in the end. So this is what it should look like in the end, nice and fluffy, you can see right here. And now you can assemble your cake. Now I didn't film it because I'm a mess, but basically on the next day I set out the first layer of cake. I spread the buttercream on top, and then I cut up strawberries and put it on the buttercream. Then I did the second cake layer, and again buttercream on top and on the sides, and then I decorated with more strawberries. You don't have to use strawberries if you don't like them. You can use raspberries or anything else that would go well with a chocolate cake. So I hope this was inspiring, and yeah, try it out. It was really good, even though I don't like buttercream. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye!